Okay, why am I starting to like the teardrop over the square?
It is too big. I agree, guys. It's like
This
really,
is big.
way too big. Let me just try them.
That is crazy.
That is so beautiful. I really love it.
Oh jeez.
You're bonus that secret.
If you're my American Express agent, don't.
Rob. Oh.
Even on top of the lock, you have that.
Wait, and it's all different like shapes.
Yes.
I
Hair
saw
shape,
this
monkeys,
one.
emerald. Yes, yes. I even have a matching eternity band that goes with it.
Can you take your rings off and put it on with this, like just for an example? Take the Cartier ones off.
I need surgery on my finger.
Yeah.
That's
She ripped it out.
Football, right?
Just lesbian things.
I'm 26 on my finger. How cardio? How sick is it? I'm unique.
She's unique.
Wait. Amber, get for the attitude.
Because I want to post it on my.
Do they like the difference?
Oh, Rob, I love him. We made 800 followers. Nice. Let's go.
And you do have to be out.
Yes.
Yeah, the bar guys.
This outboard is Chandler.
This is actually 800.
There you go. Adorable 5-10 carats.
But like,
It's cute
I would
for
never
every
look at
day.
something
It's
like
nice, very unique, classic. None of it has to be like, you know.
I'm not kidding, I actually love this a lot. I did not think I would like something like this.
Filming me, filming you.
Right. It is beautiful.
Wait, let me take my Cartier
It's like it's beautiful.
I'm just putting my.
Can we get to 900?
Go ahead, you can do
They
that.
said about 900,000.
I'm gonna keep it right here for you guys. Rob send feet pics. Oh my god, someone wrote for him.
What if
They're
No, like this is I'm like falling in love
me
with
say.
this.
that is
Oh wow, that is
all we see here today, special discount prices.
1,000 followers? He said I could run. If I could beat him in a race, I could run after him.
2 months
Oh, it's
after
on 2 months
Yes,
today.
guys, the wedding anniversary today. Is that how you dragged me in?
Thank you.
Very nice. Many more to come.
How do you two know each other?
We're mutual friends.
Mutual friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you in the jewelry business?
He's about to be.
I like
You look like you're 25.
Yeah,
I don't know what you do, but I'm gonna start eating or drinking.
I just turned 57 on Sunday.
Holy.
If I look like you and I'm 57,
That means your
I
birthday.
think they just got him out of the freezer.
Yeah, she
Something.
literally looks preserved.
You know?
This is to Rob and to Christina's
And
earrings
my
and my new
first-
earrings.
J&J Diamonds.
JJ
That's
Diamonds.
right.
Yes.
All right.
Oh shit. Oh.
Nice. Nice. That's for good luck.
that's good luck.
That's called good
That's
luck.
good
It
luck.
has to spill.
Champagne
has
and
to-
diamonds. It has to spill a little bit.
I love that. Yay.
All right, let's pour some champagne.
Rob, thank you
We'll
so
clean
much.
that up at Amber.
Don't worry about it. I should get it.
Sure?
Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Your job is to spill champagne.
Yes, I love
Eh?
that.
Keep
Rob,
it up.
Rob, everything you're saying today is just very on point.
Yeah.
Because when someone needs it and someone, you know, you feel the energy.
Of course.
Everyone's like Christina.
If you're alive about something, you feel
100%.
Here, congratulations. I know
I
it's
say,
hot.
Rob.
Yes, Robin's very.
Yes, he is. That is why I
have to
so
be
like him.
positive, have to be thankful. God is one, He created this beautiful universe for all of us to enjoy.
Exactly
Not
right.
to complain.
Cheers.
Cheers for
JJ
We will be back 1,000%.
Yes, we will be.
Hopefully with a ring. But a ring choice. We'll see.
Tony, where are you?
Chinese ladies go in Town magazine.
Yeah.
If I'm standing next to you, we can get in any magazine. Cheers. And congratulations. That's awesome. We love girl power.
And cheers to a divorce.
She is amazing.
Cheers.
She is a wonderful one.
His loss.
Rob needs a
Yes, here's to finding the right person. Does anyone have a hot dad?
Yes.
You like older or younger?
5 years younger to.
I have a brother. He looks like me.
Nice.
It's like
She's gorgeous. Well, I know you guys are moms.
Someone wrote Josh.
We're not. We
The
just,
what?
Josh and Gina something.
we just met.
Yeah, we
Honestly,
working.
everyone just follows our relationship.
I want to read
So-
Working, we'll make it happen.
Yeah. So like how?
Cheers. Yes, guys, cheers. Now what? You know I love matching food. Bro, that's actually anytime I buy something, I'll make sure we match. So they share everything.
I think the future eventually
Gina
we
was
go
here
for
for
this round, one of those round pieces just to go with this.
She loves
Yes.
Alright,
I agree. I agree.
by the way, Gina,
Yes.
I got you a letter.
Oh,
G. And we do all letters, all
really?
Resizing. Oh
That's
yeah.
so awesome.
I'm like, Maria, this is for Gina right here.
Can I get CC?
Huh?
What does that mean?
Chamberlain.
Oh, Chamberlain? I was more thinking to color. That's right. What you called it out? You just said.
They're saying we love this song for Rob. It's called No Broke Boys.
Yes.
Ah.
No broke boys, Rob.
They're actually on sale for, I believe it was 8,900.
Yeah, I have dance around close to
Nice.
Box, papers, and everything.
It's so funny how Rolex is. It's like it's just funny to me. I love it.
I can't come to a box every day. Your price, I'll let it go for 4,900.
Wait,
Alright,
what?
screw it.
I thought it was gonna be 7.
Oh no, it's more than that. Retail price, not even retail. What it's going for is just under 10. These are BTS quality diamonds. This is a very unique cut-shaped ring.
You do these yourself?
Yes. Not myself, the factory. If I know how to do it myself, yes I do.
That looks amazing.
Alright, this is a very unique, different piece.
I want her to.
This is something. Now look at this. Have you seen a tennis bracelet like this before?
No.
That shape before? I don't think
It
so.
looks like Sharky though.
Right? You can wear it either way. This one. But that's beautiful.
That's great.
I'm just gonna shower.
This could be a dog collar on my neck.
No, literally. Guys, look.
Oh my god. That's just unique. That's different.
If anyone next to the sign,
Not
That's
they're
beautiful.
saying they wish we could buy the whole store. Guess how many carats this is. If you guess the exact number of carats, I'll get it for you.
The problem is.
Hey, that's cheating, not that one.
She's
Wait, shit.
That's like a UFO.
10
People look at
carats.
this claim they saw a UFO.
That's right.
Oh my god.
Over 10 carats, baby.
Oh wait, Heather.
What the hell?
This has
That's
to be just.
insane. So I always thought I was a square girl. Everyone's saying the teardrop. Everyone on the live stream is saying the teardrop. So
Okay. You did look nice.
if we come to you and draw up a design,
I'm a certified designer, this is what I do. And when you draw something and when there's something custom, the energy is different.
I want something that no one has.
You're the right person. The right person.
Maybe this right here. Excuse me. You don't. I really like gold necklaces.
Amber.
I know. Yeah. Yeah.
Put on your big Oh, this is a good size. Yeah. I actually want to see the size.
Wait, look at this halo setting underneath.
No, I've never realized how high his halos are.
You want me to
In my set.
I really like this camera here.
Yeah.
It's literally a US phone.
I'll bring it in. I'm looking at this.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, hold your hand out.
Let me go.
My ring though.
So it's funny.
Wow. Put that on your hand.
I know.
She looks.
Our ring shop. You like that yellow one? Cute one. I might be able to do that for that price. I might be able to do that.
Really like this video.
Time's almost all around.
Oh wow. I like this one. That is stunning on you.
You guys like this intro?
No, I said I'm going to stand it.
Can you show it to the camera?
And she goes,
Real quick.
You got right in there. Very nice. Congratulations. Congratulations. I need you here. Tell me what you want.
I get 15.
Oh my God! Look at that! She just said she tried in the room, she hit 50, and she just told her.
I wanted to dream it, I hit it, and I was like, damn, no.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, it's actually great.
oh my god, I can see it on my face.
For these two special couples. Bring so much good energy. Your energy, by the way, oh my god.
We're gonna bring some friends back.